On the Stripe dashboard, click on the billing section at the left side of the screen. Then tap on the Invoices option below it, which will take you to your invoices list, and you want to click on these three dots at the top right of the screen. Then choose the Invoice Settings button just below it. On this page, you want to choose on Templates option, and tap on the Create Template button right here. First, you got to input the name of your Invoices template, so it is easier for you to find this template. On the invoice memo, you may insert a short message to encourage your customers to buy your product, or typing in your contact info like your phone number in case they need to clarify something or need to ask you. Keep in mind to make it general, as it will be your invoice templates. After that, you may add the invoice footer on this section, such as for legal clarity, payment instruction, and also professional branding. Below it, you may add your custom field just right here. So a custom field is essentially a blank slot on the invoice template that you can define yourself. While the memo and footer are for general message or legal terms, custom fields usually used for structured data that helps you and your client track specific details without cluttering the main item description. Last but not least is line item grouping, is where you can group on each of your product on the customer invoices. For example, if I were a phone seller, I can group the phone based on their brand, like iPhone for iPhone, Samsung with Samsung, so on. So rather than being mixed in one list with different products like this, instead, each phone brand will be separated by a line on the same invoice, because they were grouped based on their phone brand. If you are interested, you may click on Learn More button over here, as it needs a bit or even more of the coding skills. Either way, after you are good with everything, click on Create a Template button over here. You may use the invoice template from here. For example, we're gonna make an invoice. You may select the items or the products, and then just scroll down all the way to the bottom, and then click on Select a Template button. And choose the template that you just made before. And there you go. All the template will be placed to your invoices. If you still have any question, just comment down below, and I will try my best to guide and help you guys. If you find this video useful, please consider like and subscribe.